Grayson. Today we're going to be learning about equations.
What's an equation?
Well, Grayson, an equation is some numbers that have an equal sign in it, like this. An equal sign. This is an equation. For example, this is a one-step equation. To solve this, we have to get x all by itself. How do we do that? Well, glad you asked. To do that, we are simply going to divide 2x by 2. And since we did it on this side, to keep this equation equal, we have to do it on the other side. So, a one-step equation answer is 1 equals x.
Is there such thing as a two-step equation?
Yes, Grayson, there is such thing as a two-step equation. In fact, let's do one together. Here's a two-step equation. To solve this, we have to do 2 steps, hence the name. Okay, so first thing we have to do is get x all by itself. Nothing can be on the side with x. So how do we do that, we ask? Thank you for asking. First, we're going to get rid of the 1. And since we got rid of the 1 on this side, we also have to get rid of it on this side to keep our equation equal. So now we have 1 equals 2x. Okay? Now, it's just like the one-step equation we did before. Let's solve it. Divided by 2 divided by 2. And your answer will be 0.5 equals x. And that's how you do a two-step equation.
Is there an equation that has more than just 2 steps?
Yes, Grayson, there is a multi-step equation. At least that's what we call it. Why don't we do one now? This is a multi-step equation. If you can see, it has more than 1 step we have to solve, or 2, like a two-step equation. But now we have 3 steps to solve. We have to subtract, add, divide to get our answer. So why don't we do that? First, I like to keep my numbers positive, so we're going to add 3. And since we added it on this side, we have to add it on this side. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now 8 equals 2x plus 1. Now this looks just like the two-step equation we just did. Let's solve that. First we have to subtract 1 from each side. That leaves us with 7 equals 2x. Now we have to divide just like we did before. So now we divide 2. And now your total answer is 3.5 equals x. And this is how you do a multi-step equation. Why don't we try a story problem? It works too. For instance, Lisa needs 7 cups of sugar for the item she is baking. She has already added 2 cups. Let's write this as a story problem. This is it written out. First of all, she needs to put 7 cups. This is the number that she needs to have. This is the number of how much she already has, 2. And C represents the number of cups she needs to add. Let's solve. Now, let's solve it. First, we need to get C all by itself. So let's get rid of this 2. To get rid of the 2, we need to subtract it, like so. And since we're doing it on this side, we have to match it on this side. 7 minus 2 equals 5. So, Lisa needs 5 more cups of sugar to complete whatever she is baking.
Oh, I get it. Equations are really fun!